Hello guys. Today I want to share solution for two major problems. That is how to import modules from subdirectory and how to import modules from the sibling directory. I searched through internet, checked many YouTube videos, but could not find the exact solution. That's the reason I'm making this video after a lot of exploration. Finally, I found the right answer for this. So before all this, I've already created a file structure to help you understand in a very simple way. So T1 is the root directory here, T2, T3 are subdirectories. T1 has A and C files, and T2 has B, T3 has D file. Every file here is having very simple method, some MA. It is returning MA, which means method A. Every file here is having a similar method, okay? Now, the first question is how to import methods from subdirectories. For C, B is a subdirectory, right? D is also subdirectory for C. Now, I want to use method of B and methods of A in C. Did you get it? For that, this is the lines of code I'm using. Since A is in the same directory as of C, I can directly write A and import every method in A. But since B is in subdirectory T2, I have to write T2.b and import every method in B. These are the methods in A and B respectively, and I'm printing them. Let me run this code. See, the solution for the first question is perfectly executed before you. With these statements, I have called the methods from the subdirectories. Now, the second question is T2 and T3 are sibling directories, right? I want to call these method in B. This is done using these lines of code. I just normally imported T3.d and imported every method in it. And I'm trying to print the return statement. Let me execute this, run this. See, I'm getting module not found error. Why is this happening? This is happening because when I directly run b.py file, the Python knows that T2 is a directory. It does not know that T1 is a root directory. That's the reason it is not recognizing T3 as a module. Means since it does not know anything about T1, it will obviously doesn't know anything about T3. It thinks that T3 does not exist. That's the reason it is giving that no module named T3 is found. So to resolve this, these lines of codes are is necessary. Here, this line of code, what it is actually doing. This gives the current working directory, that is T2, and this produces the root directory, that is T1, and this path is appended here, so that OS will understand that T1 is the root directory. Now, if I execute this program, we got what we need. So, in this way, the solution for the second question is also executed properly before you. But during solving this question, I've identified that if I run C file now, let us see what it is giving. It is calling MD method also with A and B. Why is this happening? I did not call it explicitly, right? But still, that method D is being called. This is because when B is being imported, every top level code in B is also called, even if I'm not calling it. Okay. So to resolve this, we have to write few lines of code in B. This is the extra line of code that we have to write in B. What does this do? Whenever b.py is directly being executed, then this condition will be true. Since the condition is true, this line of code will be executed. But if b is imported somewhere else in some kind of file, then this condition gives returns false. That's the reason this line block of code under this condition won't be executed. Okay, and that way this problem will be resolved. Now let me run c.py file. Yeah, you got what you want. So in this way, this problem is resolved. So I hope this will be this video is would be very useful for you because when you are actually working in some kind of projects, you have to import modules from subdirectories, sibling directories, and after many methods that I've used previously to do this these kind of things, I failed it because the methods that I've explored were really not working perfectly, like init method and other method is appending that path directly. All these did not work. Finally, through a lot of exploration, finally I found this kind of structure and code is working. I hope this will be very useful for you. Thank you.